the DEPW to submit to this council within 15 days from the receipt thereof a comprehensive accomplishment report vis-a-vis the initial construction way back in 2015 and the phases that it has undergone. So moved, Mr. Chair.
Motion presented by Member De Los Santos, seconded by Member Archibald. Discussion. Objection. Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Second resolving clause, Mr. Chair, to request the Office of the City Budget Officer to provide this council a copy of the complete detailed accounting of the funds spent by the city for the CCMC construction to include the funds from the various donors.
Motion presented by Member De Los Santos, seconded by Member Archibald. Discussion. Objection. Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Another resolving clause, Mr. Chair, resolve further to urge that